Let's get started with one of my favorite morning mobility routines. Coming onto our knees, taking one leg out, swiveling the heels so that it spins outward slightly, planting the hands nice and wide, spreading the fingers, beginning to sink the hips back, and then painting nice big spirals with the pelvis. Allow the chin to draw down, elongating the back of the neck and feeling into all of the nooks and crannies within the hip joint. Begin to press the floor away with the hands, pressing up and away. Deep breaths here. You can even begin to move the leg if you like. A little more movement, a little more depth, feeling into how far you want to go as this is the first movement. And then coming back, bringing the knee in, other leg kicks out, and then finding those nice spirals once again, sinking back and lifting up, smooth breaths. And now if this is too intense, you can always keep that straight leg and bend it slightly so that you have a little more space for the back of your leg if you have tender hamstrings. Finding nice, smooth breaths. Breathing in and out through the nose. And then coming back to center, coming onto our knees in the GuanJing basic form, pulling of the lower springs, sweeping forward, bow the head, and then as you come up, roll, expand the back body, take the palms flipped up, reach, spin the thumb as much towards the front as you can, almost wringing out your fingers, and then at the exhale, flick and unwind, bringing the index and the middle finger together. As you inhale, lift the heart space, lift the chin, fold forward, sweep the hands forward, chin into the chest. Inhale, rounding. Take the hands back, palms face up, spin and unravel. Exhale, chin lifts up as you fold upon your exhale. Inhale, feel the back body expanding, breathing, palms face up and flip. A few more times here. Exhale. Inhale, rounding and flip. Exhaling. Inhaling, breathing across the back body and flicking the wrist, flicking freshness, bringing in that energy up through the front body, and then exhale, flicking that water out through the fingertips. Exhale, folding. Inhale, rounding, breathing and flicking up. Sweeping the hands forward, coming onto our hands and knees. As we inhale, sweep the hand up and back. As we exhale, take it through the gateway of the arm, shoulder away from the ear, placing the ear on the ground. Inhale, other arm sweeps. Breathing and lifting up. Inhale. Exhale, take it through. Inhale, other arm sweeps up and back. Exhale, plant the hand down. Inhale, press up. Nice, big, wide movements as if you were swimming backwards, taking the feet and the knees nice and wide to open up through the inner groin, finding your breath here. Smooth, deep, fluid breaths. Next, inhale, pressing up. And exhale, taking the head through, the hand through, open. Placing the hand down, inhale, sweep the hand up. Let's switch sides. The next inhale, the other arm lifts up and back. The exhale, we thread through the side body, shoulder away from the ear as we place the head down. Inhale. Exhale, plant the hand. The next inhale, we sweep up. So finding space through your breath, allowing yourself to even close the eyes. Where in the body can you breathe more space? more flow, more movement, more awareness. Beautiful. One more time on this side. The inhale, we sweep up. The exhale, we thread. And from here, placing the hand down, planting both hands, tucking the toes under, and stepping back into a downward facing dog. Press the floor away with the hands, relax the head, shoulders away from the ears. Take the tailbone, tilt it up towards the sky as you bend the knee. Press the floor away with your hands. One deep breath here, inhaling. Exhale, continuing to lengthen. And then from here, rolling forward into a plank pose, taking one foot and hooking it around your ankle, and then just allowing that to heel, the one that's on the floor to slide back. So begin to breathe into the calf. And now we'll step that foot forward, bend, and then try to slide back. Bend and sliding back. So you really start to get into the calf. This is actually an area that's pretty tight for me, so I really enjoy opening up the calf. There's so much of the day we spend standing and walking. A lot of pressure and stagnation happens on our calf when we are also sitting in the car, traveling, commuting. So just taking this time, you can even just kind of slide your foot back like as if you were trying to walk as well. I also like to slide the top of my foot across it to begin to massage the top of my feet. So whatever variation you like. You'll probably feel a little warm here. Keep pressing the floor away with your hands, spreading them wide. And then from here, walking the hands to meet the feet, feet to meet the hands. Nice deep bend in the knees to allow the upper body to rest on the lower body. Grab onto opposite elbows and begin to swing the elbows open from side to side, getting into the side body. You can bend and straighten the legs to move with it. Deep breaths and still inviting the spine to hang nice and loose. Very nice. And then from here, taking the hands and gripping the flesh of your trapezius. So the thumb is going to go right underneath your collarbone, and the rest of the hands will grip onto the back of your neck. And you'll just begin to grip as much as you like and pull down. Nice, deep self-massage. I like to squeeze my thumb into the fingertips of my hand and pull the flesh down of your neck, loosening up any stagnation around your neck, your shoulders. Nice deep breath here. Allowing the weight to fall off of the head and the neck. Any unnecessary tension, responsibility, holding, we just pull it down and out. And then from here, releasing the hands, releasing the head. As we inhale, gently roll up to stand. Take your time, taking extra breaths if you need to. Rolling all the way up, finishing off our nice quick mobility flow with the opening of the heavenly gates. So taking the hands behind you, behind the jeans pockets. If you had jeans on, roll the shoulder blades up and back, elbows squeeze together, curl the tailbone under. Inhale, lift the heart space. Deep breath here. And exhale, bend the knees deeply, sweep the hands forward. Inhale, coming up to stand, hands point out and wide. Lift, squeeze the elbows together. Deep breath into the heart. Lean back as much as you like. Exhale, nice deep bend. Move the energy across the side body, taking the hands out and away. Beautiful. Inhale, lift the heart. And exhale, sweep. Nice and deep. Inhale, breathing across the front body. And exhale. As if you're pulling any heaviness, any density that rests in the pelvis, any stagnation, pulling up, out, and away. One more deep breath here, inhaling. And exhaling, moving it out and away. Inhaling, coming back to center. Let's take the arms overhead, interlace the fingers, palms face up, wide stance with the legs, bending the knees, and then spiraling the chest open. Using the pelvis to move this energy, feeling the spiral, flowing and coursing through the center channel of the spine. Breathing the spine open. Beautiful. Let's move in the other direction. Exhale, and seeing how much you can really spiral the hips with this. Allow the head and neck to roll with it. Allow the elbows to bend slightly to keep space for the neck. Beautiful. One more breath here. As you exhale, panting the hands down, bringing the feet together, closing the eyes in stillness. Witnessing the currents of energy flowing through the body. Ready to start the day. Bringing the hands to heart center, bowing the head. In gratitude for yourself. In honor of all that there is and all that you are. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one of our classes.